2020 has proved to be a rosy year for real estate prices. For many markets across the United States, the median home price has increased in double digits percentages. If you're not a homeowner in 2020 yet, you may be thinking, 1. How will my wages ever keep up with that high increase? And 2. Is there a real estate crash on the horizon so we can pick up a good bargain when the housing crash happens? Dannylau here with Line Real Estate, empowering individuals and families with financial success through real estate. Leading economists have been calling the economic recovery since the pandemic a K-shaped recovery. Different parts of the economy recover at a different rates, time, or magnitudes. High-income families have seen their jobs come back, income grow, and their assets skyrocket, while middle and lower class people have not. So, is there a real estate bubble in 2021 waiting to burst? Let's consider the following factors. There is a shortage of available housing supply. Double-digit annual growth in both list and sale prices of homes show an extreme lack of inventory and incredible demand. The housing market is on fire, but we may continue to see rising home prices hurting affordability unless the mortgage rates decline. Regarding mortgage rates, we saw mortgage rates hit another historical low in the first 2 weeks of 2021, with the average 30-year fixed rates falling to 2.65%, the lowest ever according to Freddie Mac. But then, within the last couple of days, we saw the interest rates trend reversed. According to Freddie Mac's survey, average 30-year mortgage rates spiked to 2.88% on January 14th. There are no question mortgage rates are ticking up. However, how much mortgage rates will continue to rise in 2021? Experts are saying 30-year fixed rates will stay at mid-3 ranges. One of the reasons mortgage rates are going up is because the economy is starting to have a more positive outlook on post-COVID recovery. As stimulus packages are being pumped into the economy, jump-starting the recovery of many other economic sectors, the Fed is slowly pumping the brakes so that the economy doesn't get overheated. Overall growth across different sectors will likely raise mortgage rates as the economy rebounds. Maybe you're saying, extreme high demand, historical low interest rates. These are precisely the two reasons that point directly at a real estate bubble. A Redfin study shows that 3.8% of homeowners nationwide fear foreclosure, whereas 13.5% are delinquent on mortgage payments. Bloomberg recently published an article by columnist Michael Strain that points out the only reason why there isn't a wave of foreclosure homes is because the CARES Act has temporarily frozen foreclosures. Indeed, there's a segment of over-leveraged borrowers who can contribute to a wave of foreclosures. But because of the huge shortage of homes for sale, even if there's a wave of foreclosures, the demand outsizes the supply. Those 3.8% of foreclosed properties will have a tiny little impact on the overall real estate market. Here's another important factor to consider. Foreclosure is not a simple process. It takes months or maybe even a year in order for the property to be foreclosed. A homeowner generally owes more than the home is worth for the bank to take the property back from the homeowner. In 2020, total home equity in the United States rose to its highest level ever at $6.5 trillion, according to Black Knight, a loan research and analytics firm. So, if a homeowner is having trouble making the mortgage payments, they can just sell the home on the open market to avoid foreclosure and cash in on their home equity. Based on all these reasons, in my opinion, no, there is not a real estate bubble on the horizon. At best, if interest rates indeed rise, housing price is going to stabilize, but a crash, not likely. For first-time home buyers, your best strategy remains to be avoid debt, don't buy anything you cannot afford, find the right homes that you're in for the long haul. Don't worry about factors you cannot control. Share with me what your thoughts are on the real estate bubble in 2021 in the comment section below. If you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please take a moment to like it and hit subscribe. Shoot me an email if you have any questions. We can hop on a call and discuss how we can achieve your real estate goals. This is Danny Lau. See you next time.